Last week I got a call from an old client and he said, "Hey Scott, I need some advice. I've got a sales rep. They've been with me for about 6 months and they are just not cutting it." So if you want to know more about what that conversation sounded like, hang in there with me. And you might have a sales rep who isn't performing well, or you might be thinking of and putting off hiring a sales rep because maybe you've had one in the past who didn't perform well, or maybe you've got some friends who hired sales reps and it hasn't worked out for them. Doesn't have to be that way. Hang in there with me and I'll tell you more. In the meantime, if you don't know who I am, my name's Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com. And I'm making these videos and I coach restoration folks all over the country because I'm passionate about helping them to get more profitable, to reducing chaos in the business, and to helping them build something that they can sell someday when they decide it's time to move on. All right, so what do we talk about? The first thing I always ask when somebody tells me a team member isn't working out is, do they have clear expectations? Are you holding them accountable? Are you giving them the support that they need? I asked these questions and the answer was no, no, and no. So expectations. When you have an outside sales rep, do you set expectations for how many face-to-face visits? How many follow-ups? What is the activity that you expect from them that will generate the results that you expect from them? Which leads us to expectations around results. How many referrals? How many revenue dollars do you expect this rep to produce? Again, if they don't know what's expected of them, how are they going to deliver? Now, you might have some very hungry self-starters who don't need that kind of guidance. They're pretty rare. They're out there, but they're pretty rare. More commonly, give somebody clear expectations, hold them accountable, and they're going to produce. If you haven't done that, and if you haven't given them training, that's the third component. If you haven't given them the support, the coaching that they need, then it's going to be very hard for them to succeed, especially if they haven't been in the industry. So are you helping them with objection handling? Are you helping them with how to get conversations started that will separate them from other reps in the industry, right? We all have techs with fans, with DUs, and some other equipment, but that's it, right? What makes us different? What makes you different? Does your sales rep know? And are they telling that story over and over and over? So if you need help with setting expectations, holding them accountable, and training and coaching them, let me know. I've got a program called the Restoration Sales Academy. And even if you're not interested in that, or maybe the timing isn't right now, and you just want to have a conversation, book a call with me. Happy to talk to you anytime. Thanks for watching.